Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I am back with few more sums on time, and today I will tell you how to do addition subtraction of time. Okay, so let me share the screen and we will start the sums. Okay, and in my next video I will show you how to convert months to hour, hour to day, this all thing. Okay, so one more video I will make and I will show you that. Today I will show you just addition and subtraction. Okay, means before and after. So let's start. See, here first we have to remember whenever there is any given time, for example, suppose my time is here, I'm going to show you how to convert. Suppose the question is what time will it be? 11 hours before 5:30 p.m. So 11 hours before 5:30 p.m. So before means we know we have to do subtraction, but can we subtract 5:30 minus 11? No. So always remember whenever you get this type of sum that you have to find before number, that time what you will do, first you convert this into the hour clock. Means for example you add 12 and make it into 12 hours, so 24 hours clock. Okay, so if you add 12 to 8, so your answer will be 17:30. That is, you will not put any AM PM now. Now you subtract from here 11 hours. Okay, so what will be your answer? That one you put as AM, because whenever you can't do subtraction directly, you just add 12 to it. Okay, so when you add 12 to this number, your answer is becoming 17 is to that 30, 17 hours 30 minutes. So what you will do, you subtract from there 11 hours, and whatever answer you will get, you just change the PM to AM. So one more example, let me show you. 6 hours before 3:20 AM. So this also you can't subtract, right? So what I will do, I will add 12 to it. So when I will add 12 to this number, it will become 15:20. Now you subtract 6 from here. So what will be your answer? It will be 9:20. So AM, it will change to PM. Clear? So whenever you can't subtract directly, you have to use this method. Clear? Now suppose your question is where you can subtract. For example, your question is 6 hours before 12:45 p.m. Now you see 6 hours you can subtract because it is 12, it is more than 6. So directly you just subtract it. Okay. So what will be your answer? 6:45, and the PM will remain same. So when you can do direct subtraction, you write down same PM. Okay. But when you can't do direct subtraction, that time you change AM to PM or PM to AM. Clear? Now I'll show you a few more examples. What time will it be? 8 hours 50 minutes after 6:45 AM. So before we have done. So 8 hours 50 minutes after 6:45 PM. So 6:45 PM after means what you have to do addition. So you write down 6:45 and you add 8:50 to it. Now you see one thing. Here it is hour, here it is minute. When you add 9 and 8 plus 6 is 14. So your answer is 14 hours 95 minutes. Is it possible? 95 minutes to write. So what we will do, 95, we will subtract 60 means what? 1 hour. So whatever 1 hour we are subtracting from here, 1 hour, we will add that 1 hour here. Clear? So what will be our final answer? 14 plus 1, you can write down 15. 15 hours, and here the subtraction, it will be 5:35 minutes. So 15 hours 35 minutes you can write down as 24-hour clock, or if you want to write down as normal clock, 12 hours clock, you just subtract minus 12. So your answer will be, when you minus, then it will be 3:35. Okay, 3:35. So 3 hours 35 minutes. Clear? 15 hours 35 minutes is also correct. And if you want to write as 24-hour clock, it will be 3 hours 35 minutes. Clear? So 8 hours after 6:45 p.m. Since we have asked the question p.m. no, so you just write down in this way only, 3:35 a.m. Why a.m.? Because it's changing. No, we have used this process. We are not, means we are the addition is not done directly, so we have to change this one. So 6:45 you are in p.m. After 8 hours 50 minutes your time will be a.m. Whenever there is simple addition you can't do, that time you have to remember that it will be p.m. to a.m. Suppose for example the same sum, if I tell you 6:45 p.m. is given, after 2 hours how much? So directly see, after 2 hours if you do it, see you don't have to do anything you don't have to do. So you just answer will be 8:45. That time it will remain p.m. only. Clear? So once it is more than 12 hours, that time it is changed. See 15 hours is more than 12, no? So that time your p.m. is changing to a.m. I hope it is clear. So this goes for time sums. Simple addition also you may get like you may get like this, subtraction and additions, like 12 hour you have to write down, minute you have to write down. 12 hour 50 minute add to 6 hour 45 minute. When you add this one, 5, 9, 12 plus 6, 18. So 18 hour 95 minutes, but 95 minutes you can't write, no? So what you will do, always remember, you subtract minus 60 minute. So minus 60 minute, when you minus, that means minus 60 means 1 hour. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, correct? So if you are subtracting 60 minutes, that means you are subtracting 1 hour, and this 1 hour will be added here. So this will become 19 hour, and this one it will become 35 minute. 19 hour 35 minute. And if you want to write in a 12 hour clock, just minus 12 from it. So when you do, so 7:35. Clear? 7:35. Now I will show you subtraction also. Subtraction when you have to borrow. How you have to borrow, that's a very important process. Suppose I am giving you here 7 hour 35 minute. You subtract from here 2 hour 45 minute. Now can you subtract 35 minus 45? No. So what you will do that time, you convert this part. How you will convert? From 7 hour, take 1 hour. So 7 hour, if you take 1 hour, this will become 6 hour. And you are giving this 1 hour to minute. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. Correct? Now only we have solved. So when we are giving this 1 hour, it is going here 1 hour. That will become 60 plus 35. So that is how much? 95. So your original question, it will become now, which one you can solve now. So it will become 6 hour, and this 1 you are getting it here. So this will become 95 minutes, and the down one it will remain same. So now you can easily subtract 0, because here you can't take carry and do it. Okay, you have to take carry in this way. From here you will take 1 hour, from 7 you will take 1 hour, and you will give it to the minute part as a minute. So 1 hour you are taking means you are taking 60 minutes. Correct? 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So when you are taking 1 hour, that means you are taking 60 minutes, and you are making this side bigger or larger. Now 9 minus 4 is how much? 5. So minute is okay. Now 4. So what's your answer? When you subtract 7 hour 35 minutes. Okay, when you subtract 2 hour 45 minutes from 7 hour 35 minutes, your answer will be 4 hour 50 minutes. Okay, so question remains same, but the answer is this one. Here, just same thing we did. Just from here, if you take minus 16 and add it, it will become 7 hour 35 minutes. So one more example, I will show you one addition, one subtraction. Okay, so this type of sums are coming, okay, for a competitive exam also, and these are generally for class 5 and 6 students. Okay, you all can see this one nicely. So what will be like if I add, suppose I'm taking 9 hours 25 minutes, okay, and I'm adding it to 5 hours 45 minutes. So what will be my answer? So 10 carry 1, 4, 5, 6, 70, and here 9 and plus 5 is 14. So it has become 14 hours 70 minutes. But 70 minutes we can't write, right? So what we will do? We will subtract 60 minutes from here. 60 minutes means what? 1 hour. So 1 hour will be added here. So your answer, final answer, it will become 15 hours 10 minutes. If you want to write in time, that's 12-hour clock, so you just subtract minus 12 from it. So your answer will become 3:10. Okay, 3 hours 10 minutes. So this is for addition. And same number, suppose you want to subtract same number. So this hour and this one is minute. So if you want to subtract this one, now you can't subtract, correct? You can't subtract this position, no? 25 minus 45 you can't do. So what I will do, I will make this 9 as 8 because 1 hour I am giving here. So this will be 60 plus 25, that is 85. So minute has changed, hour also changed, and this one will remain same. What you will subtract, that will remain same. Clear? So your answer will become 3 hours 40 minutes. When we subtract 9 hours 25 minutes, okay? So 5 hours 45 minutes from 9 hours 25 minutes, your answer will become 3 hours 45 minutes. So this is very important of carry and borrow, okay? Carry and borrow, because here you are subtracting and you are carrying forward, and here you are borrowing. You are borrowing 1 hour, that is 60 minutes you are borrowing to make it larger. Simple way we are doing subtraction, correct? Same way you are doing it here. Here we are taking 60 minutes. 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. So that's all. Thank you so much. Please, if you like my video, don't forget to give a like. And I will come back with more sums on time. Keep watching. Tada.